Quick heads up, this method is specifically for desktop users and you can use Android as desktop site. If you're trying to access PAWS on your phone, you might run into issues, especially since the PAWS app on Telegram has been deleted and you can't copy the PAWS link to your home screen anymore. But don't worry, desktop users, you're in the right place. Now, I know what you're thinking, why should I care about logging into Twitter or searching for PAWS? Well, what if I told you this isn't just about social media? This is about stepping into a modern, civilized lifestyle that's waiting for you. But here's the thing, time is ticking. Opportunities like this don't come around every day. In fact, by the end of this video, you'll either be one step closer to your dream life or you'll be left wondering, what if? So let's not waste another second. Let's get started. First, log into your Twitter account on your desktop. If you don't have one, create one. It's quick, easy, and absolutely worth it. Once you're in, head to the search bar and type in PAWS Labs. Hit enter and you'll see a link to paws.community. Click it. This is where the magic begins. Now, you might be wondering, what is PAWS and why should I care? Well, PAWS is more than just a website. It's a gateway to a lifestyle that's sleek, modern, and perfectly tailored for the 21st century. Whether you're looking to buy, modify, or simply explore, PAWS has something for everyone. Once you're on the PAWS website, you'll see an option to check your eligibility. Click it. This is your moment. This is where you find out if you qualify for a life that's not just modern, but extraordinary. But here's the catch, what happens next could change everything. Will you be eligible? Will this be the start of your new chapter? Stick around because we're about to find out. Congratulations! If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the curve. Whether you're eligible or not, you've taken the first step toward a life that's bold, innovative, and unapologetically modern. And if you are eligible, well, let's just say the future is yours to shape. But remember, opportunities like this don't last forever. The world is moving fast, and the sooner you act, the sooner you can start living the life you deserve. So, what's next? Head over to my channel and check out my other videos on modern living, innovation, and lifestyle design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because this is just the beginning. Together, we're going to build a future that's as bright as your dreams. And who knows? The next video might just reveal the secret to turning those dreams into reality. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.